Hey everyone, I created the 2020 doll Christmas cards printable. It has my new doll I got for Christmas, Courtney Moore, and she's the 80s historical doll. So I put her on 4 different cards. So you have a variety of options. And these are made a bit late, I realized, because Christmas is a couple days ago, but there are 12 days, and we are actually making our Christmas cards late, so it's kind of funny. This DIY is pretty simple. Basically, the first step is just cutting out all the cards that you have on the printable. Then you're going to want to take all the cards you have and you're going to want to fold them in half. The front side should have Courtney with the Merry Christmas on it, and then the back side should have the black backing. All you have left to do is start writing a letter to your dolls. Creating your 2020 doll Christmas card. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting. Merry Christmas!